nyoro e nyim od bura mano ne ntiere kanyo jod bura mag jod bura MPs kaachiel kod senators ne gichokore kumoro achiel gin kaachiel kod speakers maggi kaluwore kod tich mabende jatend piny Kenya William Ruto ne wanyalo wacho ni nochiwo report mano mar tich mosetimo e kind higa achiel inyalo miya ata maladi e wi 100 kwa chako gi kanyo
45
nikech ago
amiye 45 nikech first of all adwa wacho ni it is his duty, constitutional duty mondo miwa report no. So there is no favor he's doing to us. We needed to hear that. Gimoro mararie madwa wacho na gimomiyo amiye 45 nikech in any nation that overtaxes its people, mano nation matero joge e dhier. Nikech sani ID or from 100 to 2000. Jiadi mabopogo kar kind mogo gikao ID. Koro gimotimoni, this is a 2027 scorecard. Odwa timoni mondo bed 2000 kochopo during campaigns mar 2027 obwacho kata ID onge chulo. Now passport, surely you don't add that. You don't overtax your people, because if you overtax the donkey is dying. You are injury. Koro kiki kona ni asetimoma kum education and you are not tackling the daily issues of Kenyans. Today Kenyans are walking by force.
Toki wacho ni ok tackle the daily issues of Kenya. Risemi jatend piny Kenya William Ruto atamalo 45 e wi 100. Ponono in korka kori paro ni ne gin gik moko kaka mage mane japiny gombo winjo e thuolo mar higa achiel mosebede telo makonono ko winjo.
Kawuono kaka piny tekni because fuel is everything in a nation. Transportation is the core heart of a nation. Kawuono jo Kenya wuotho. Beibo medo. We have a cash called Kenyan shilling that is falling every day. Audwa koni Joyce, kochopo December, we'll be having our dollar will be buying the dollar will be selling at 200. 150 is going to go very fast. Now it's 155 in some places. Koro gimoko timore kamano. In Paris last year in January and now gimane dhi nyiewo gi 1,100 sani nyalo nyiewo gi 1,100 king'iyo giming'iyo gi 1,100 it's useless. Sukari. So the cost of living should have been his top discussion. He needs to address that. The cost, the life of Mama Mboga is important. Kikikona ni low cost housing. Kweli waninda huko. Are we sleeping outside? We are not sleeping outside. We want food on the table. We want an education system that you can follow. Look, I teach in the university. Right now, students are confused. And I believe even tomorrow.
Manyore bende jatend piny Kenya William Ruto no puoyo model manyien mabende yando bigodo mar chwalo
William Ruto is living in a utopia land. William Ruto is living in a utopia land. He's not living in the real. I'm talking from the real place because I'm in the university. I know what's going on. Tomorrow the university students are going for a demonstration. Why are they going to be on the streets? It's because they don't understand this funding thing. You can't be saying some people will give this money. How do you know if my father is working or not working? Yeah. So let's William Ruto not be a president who is ready to change everything. Be a president who is slow to march. Walk your talk. He is talking, he's promising. Kawono promise. We are living in a country of promises with empty reality.
To bingeni wangeyo ni kinde mabende jatend piny Kenya William Ruto kaluwore kod katiba mapacho kae Dr. Salome. Wangeyo ni kinde